Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a quick and easy guide for all the Apple Music user out there who wants to stream their favorite song on the PS4. Let's jump straight into it. Here's a 4 method to get Apple Music playing on your PS4. Stick around to the end for a hot tips you won't want to miss out. First method 1. Using the PS4 web browser. Yes, it still works. Just open the built-in web browser on your PS4, head over to the music.apple.com and log in with your Apple ID and start playing your music. It's simple. No extra apps needed and the browser runs Apple Music properly smoothly. Method 2. Use wizard to convert vWizard to convert Apple Music for USB playback. Now, if you want to listen offline or without using the browser, try this. Use a tool like vWizard to convert your Apple Music track into MP3 file. Then just copy them into a USB drive, plug it into your PS4 and play them using the Media Player app. This method is perfect for those who want better control over sound quality and don't want to rely on the internet access. There's also method 3. Stream via DLNA media server. If you have a DLNA compatible media server at home like Plex or Universal Media Server, you are in luck. Add your Apple Music file onto the server library after converting them and stream them directly to your PS4 over Wi-Fi. It's great for people who want to stream from larger libraries stored on a PC or NAS device. Method 4. Bluetooth connection. This one's a bit a workaround. You can connect your phone to a Bluetooth audio adapter that plug into your PS4 controller or the aux port on your TV. Then just stream Apple Music from your phone. It's not a direct connection to the PS4, but it does the job if you want background music while gaming. Now comes the hot tips part. Want a smoother Apple Music experience on PlayStation? Consider using an HDMI audio extractor and a separate audio system for lossless sound quality. It's a bit of a setup, but music lovers will appreciate the difference. And that's for today. 4 easy way to enjoy Apple Music on your PS4 in 2025. If this helped you out, drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and quick guides. Catch you in the next one.